Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Victus. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Victus is getting so hot that it burns to touch, you're not alone. This overheating can occur due to dust buildup in the cooling system, a malfunctioning fan, or even thermal paste that has dried out over time. If left unchecked, this can lead to permanent damage to internal components, resulting in costly repairs or even complete failure of your device. To fix this issue, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, thermal paste, and some compressed air for cleaning. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip your HP Victus over and remove the screws from the bottom casing using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep track of these screws, as they can be different lengths. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the casing, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be cautious, as you don't want to damage the clips holding the casing together. Once you have the casing off, locate the cooling fan and heat sink assembly. This is typically where you'll find the source of the overheating problem. Disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard, and then remove the screws securing the heat sink in place. Gently lift the heat sink away from the CPU, taking care not to pull too hard as the thermal paste may still be slightly adhered. Clean off the old thermal paste using isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste onto the CPU, spreading it evenly. Reattach the heat sink, ensuring it's securely fastened, then reconnect the fan cable. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully replace the bottom casing, ensuring all clips are aligned properly, and reinsert the screws, tightening them until snug but not overly tight to prevent stripping. Power on your device and monitor the temperature to ensure everything is functioning correctly. To prevent future overheating, regularly clean the vents and fans of your HP Victus, ensure it is used on a hard, flat surface, and consider using a cooling pad if you often use it for demanding tasks. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.